put sugar in here, it tastes like lemonade.
You just order a lemonade. You can order a lemonade.
Cheaper than the water.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to spend another dollar on this trip. Really? $1 at this point, Riley?
Every penny counts.